Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to pay out in PayPal. We'll cover the essential steps to access your funds, ensuring a smooth and secure transfer. You'll learn about the different options available for withdrawing your money, from linking bank accounts to using debit cards. Our goal is to help you confidently manage your PayPal balance and get your money when you need it. PayPal offers several ways to get your money. The most common is a standard transfer to your linked bank account, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days and is usually free. For quicker access, you can choose an instant transfer to an eligible debit card or bank account, often completing in 30 minutes or less. You can also request a physical check or use a PayPal debit card for ATM cash withdrawals. When cashing out, standard bank transfers are generally free. However, instant transfers come with a fee, typically 1.75% of the amount, with a minimum of 25 cents and a maximum of $25. Withdrawal limits also apply. For example, instant transfers to debit cards have a $5,000 daily limit. Always check for potential currency conversion fees on international payouts. To ensure a smooth payout experience, always verify your PayPal account and linked bank information. If you have many small amounts, consider consolidating them into larger withdrawals to potentially save on per-transaction fees. Remember that weekends and holidays can delay processing times for standard transfers. Finally, double-check all transfer details before confirming to avoid any issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.